friends, my name is Sanjay and I'm running my IELTS center under the name of Daily Honey. In today's video, I will speak about the cue card, describe your first day at school. But before I do that, I just want to say I have decided to come up with a channel which is purely dedicated to IELTS speaking. And in this channel, I will be speaking on all the cue cards which are available in Makkarpedia or any cue card that you want me to speak on. And apart from that, I will be sharing lots of tips and tricks that will enable any student to speak on any cue card. Alright, let's get started. Today I will be discussing the cue card, describe your first day at school. But before coming to the answer, I just want to discuss and share some tips with you all. I'm sure when you come across any cue card that you have never seen before or any random cue card, most of you go blank. They have no idea like what to speak about. You know what is the reason for this problem? The problem is that when you are given a cue card, most of you just start thinking about the central line. Like, describe your first day at school, and then you start accumulating ideas in your brain, and that is where you make mistake. This is not the way to go about a cue card. Whenever you are given a cue card, first look at the central line, which is describe your first day at school, but at the same time look at the follow-up questions which are given. Like in this cue card, there is where it was, what happened, and explain how you felt on that day. These questions will give you chunk of ideas, lots of ideas. But if you just start thinking about this, your first day at school, you will not be having lots of idea to speak on. So my first tip and trick to you is that please, whenever you are given a cue card, just look at the questions and start getting ideas based on these questions. Alright, do not just think about the central line, like in this case, which is first day at school. When you think about first day at school, you will not have lots of idea. Okay, so please keep in mind, whenever you are given a cue card, just think of all three questions, three or four questions sometimes, which are given of this central line. Alright, okay, now I will speak the cue card. Okay, the cue card is describe your first day at school, but please remember, do not speak about the first day at the school when you took admission or when your parents enrolled in your nursery standard, because that is what can create doubts in the mind of teacher. Because let's be honest and frank, none of us remember what we did on the first day when we were enrolled in the pre-nursery or nursery standard, because we were too small to remember anything. So please remember, even if you studied in one school only, you have to cook up a story, you have to fabricate a story that you changed your school and you studied in two schools. And please remember, you would speak about the first day at your second school, not in the first school where you studied. Please remember this one. And one more thing is that when you're answering a cue card, do not forget to add introduction before coming to the answers. Okay, so let's see. Once again, I will just read the question, then I will give the answer. The question is, describe your first day at school, where it was, what happened, and explain how you felt on that day. Okay, now I will look at the stopwatch and then I will start speaking, because I will try to speak at least for 2 minutes. Okay, now I will start. I was very lucky to have studied in very good schools, and I was taught very good and qualified teachers. But when I was enrolled in the pre-nursery standard, I was too young, and I frankly do not have any ideas what was my first day like. So here I would like to speak about my first day at the second school where I studied from 8th till 12th standard. And the name of the school was Khalsa Senior Secondary School, where I studied. And the school was located just near the main GT road, Grand Trunk Road, and it was very easy. It was very easily accessible. It was just 1 kilometer away from my home, and I used to go on foot to my school. And I remember when I went there for the first day, I was not nervous at all. I was very excited, because lots of my friends were already studying there. And when I went there and I saw my friends, they were in the same class where I went, and I felt over the moon when I saw them, and even they also were very happy when they saw me. And one of my friend Hardeep, he just came up to me and just told me that I need to sit with him, and then we sat next to each other for almost whole day in the school. and I was, as I told, I was extremely happy on that day because all the teachers, even those who taught me, they were very cooperative, and all the friends actually, and my friend Hardeep, as I said, he introduced me to the other people in the class, other students in the class, and we had a gala time actually because I was made to meet a lot of new people, new friends. So it was really a very memorable day in the school, my first day. And as I said, it was a very exciting time. Thank you. A couple of last thing. First, it is mandatory to answer all the questions which are asked in the cue card, and second, it is also right to take pauses at appropriate places. Cue card never means that you should speak without any thinking, blah blah blah. It is always, I mean, say you should take pauses whenever it is required. Only then it will look your natural answer. Otherwise, if you don't take any pause, just speak fluently without any thinking, it will look a cramped answer, learned answer, and teacher will not give you the desired band. Okay, so do not feel shy of taking pauses. You can take pauses if it is required. Alright, like this video and subscribe to my channel. I will keep uploading videos on IELTS speaking cue card every week. Thank you very much.